Hey, guys, I have been testing these camera drone system for some time, and today, I am doing the mega comparison camera drone system. I hope this video will be helpful for your decision-making process. Number 5. Brand name, MULS camera features, 1080p HD video recording camera features, 720p HD video recording camera features, 4K HD video recording camera features, 2.7K HD video recording origin. Camera integration, camera included sensor size, non-aeromote distance, 1000 gyro, aerial photography, yes optical zoom, 50x FPV operation, is main rotor diameter, 25305.7 controlled channels. 4 channels frequency, 7.4 model number, SG108 connectivity, app controller connectivity, remote control connectivity, Wi-Fi connection pixels, 8 million flight time, 25 min flight time. About 32 main camera lens, 75 degrees. New SG108 drone 4K HD 5 grams Wi-Fi GPS drone brushless motor FPV drone flight for 25 minutes RC distance 1 km RC quadcopter versus X5 drone. Product link in the description box. Number 4. Brand name, MULS camera features, 4K HD video recording origin, camera integration, camera included sensor size, non-aeromote distance, 1000 aerial photography, model number. JJRC X17 connectivity, remote control flight time, 27 minutes. New X17 Foldable Drone portable 6K HD camera and E-Shake dual cameras. Product link in the description box. Number 3. Brand name, MULS camera features, 4K HD video recording origin, camera integration, camera included certification, non-sensor size, non-aeromote distance, 1200 aerial photography. Yes model number, L900 Pro connectivity, remote control flight time, 27 minutes. 5 grams GPS 4K with HD camera FPV 28 minutes flight time brushless motor quadcopter distance 1.2 kilometers professional drones. Product link in the description box. Number 2. Feature. K60 Pro drone is equipped with 6K ultra high definition pixels. And can resist the 8th level of gale. Even if you lose control, the drone can go home. The product itself is made of ABS plastic. Enhanced drop resistance. GPS intelligent positioning technology can accurately lock the flight position. We apply GPS satellite precision return technology to drones. Regardless of signal strength. Can fly unhindered. It can return home uncontrollably, with low power consumption and long distances. The brushless motor increases the flying power of the drone. 6K Ultra HD aerial photography, 6K movie level HD aerial photography. The images restore the real scenery, the colors are rich and vivid, and the pictures are more real and natural, allowing you to enjoy the fun of shooting. 6K pixels plus HDR high definition picture quality. More detailed recording information and dynamic contrast recovery. More detailed image quality. Make your aerial photography creation more free and take film level photos more easily. 50x focus, equipped with a new generation of advanced lens zoom technology, you can zoom in and zoom out through the remote control to shoot or watch aerial images in flight, so you can see more clearly. Able to lock the target at a long distance, and can clearly take photos of the desired scenery. Product link in the description box. Number 1. Feature. The 4-rotor fuselage is made of high-strength and engineering-resistant plastic, with foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. With altitude hold mode function can provide stable flight. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect app system to take pictures, record videos, and transmit images in real time through the mobile phone camera. There are 2 cameras to choose from. Use 1080p or 4K wide-angle camera can provide a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. Using headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before the flight. With one key return function, you can easily find your way home. Ballistic flight. Draw a flight path on the screen, the drone will fly autonomously in the specified direction. Product link in the description box. Thank you for watching the video.